Good morning, May 12th, 2023, in my 2019 Range Rover. I had this continuing glitch upper screen for since I purchased the car. Basically, it's intermittent. I've taken it to Cool European twice, asking them to find out what's going on, and they have failed to find the problem. It continues on with all different modes here, and pretty frustrating. I would love it if Land Rover has a fix and would share that with me. This car's seen no abuse. I don't know why Cool European can't locate and repair the problem. The only solution I have, which is temporary, is to go into the settings, go to all settings, and reset all settings. And at that point, the problem will be resolved temporarily and will return in a day or a week, but it will return. So, Land Rover, please. I love your cars. I'm loyal. This is my third one. And this gremlin, I really would like to see it repaired. I'll just go ahead and leave it showing that it will return. Things will be better for a time. Eventually it'll find my phone, find my data. But yeah. That's where we're at this moment. Thanks for watching.